Are you ready to kickstart your fitness journey? This video is the ultimate guide to building muscle and losing fat. We'll cover everything you need to know, from the basics of nutrition and exercise to the significance of rest and recovery. Understanding the fundamentals of muscle building and fat loss is crucial. We'll discuss creating a targeted nutrition plan, including macronutrient ratios and calorie intake. Designing an effective workout routine, incorporating resistance training and cardio, plays a vital role. Moreover, we'll emphasize the importance of recovery and rest for optimal results. Tracking progress and making adjustments based on feedback from your body is key to long-term success. Get ready to transform your body and achieve your fitness goals. To achieve your fitness goals, it's crucial to grasp the basics of muscle building and fat loss. This includes understanding the pivotal role of nutrition, exercise, and rest in your journey. We'll delve into the fundamentals, addressing the significance of macronutrients, calorie intake, and meal timing for optimizing muscle growth and fat loss. Moreover, we'll explore the role of resistance training, cardio, and the concept of progressive overload in achieving desired results. Rest and recovery strategies will also be highlighted, as they are essential for muscle repair and growth. By comprehending these fundamental principles, you'll be well equipped to embark on a successful fitness journey. A targeted nutrition plan plays a pivotal role in achieving your muscle building and fat loss goals. Understanding macronutrient ratios, such as the balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, is essential for supporting muscle growth and aiding in fat loss. We'll also delve into the significance of calorie intake, ensuring that you're consuming the right amount of calories to support your body's needs. Additionally, meal timing will be discussed, highlighting the importance of fueling your body at the right times to maximize your results. By implementing a targeted nutrition plan, you'll provide your body with the necessary fuel and building blocks to optimize your fitness journey. Designing an effective workout routine is key to accomplishing your fitness objectives. Tailoring your exercise plan to your specific goals ensures that you're optimizing your efforts. We'll explore the significance of resistance training in building muscle and the role of cardio in supporting fat loss. Additionally, we'll emphasize the concept of progressive overload, which involves continuously challenging your body to promote muscle growth and fat loss. Understanding these fundamental components of an effective workout routine will set the stage for your success in reaching your fitness aspirations. Recovery and rest are foundational yet often underrated components of a successful fitness journey. Proper rest allows your body to repair and rebuild muscle tissues, essential for muscle growth. Furthermore, sufficient sleep is crucial for regulating various hormones that impact muscle recovery and fat loss. We'll delve into effective recovery strategies, including techniques such as stretching, foam rolling, and active recovery exercises. By understanding the significance of rest and recovery, you'll be empowered to maximize your progress and achieve your fitness goals. Tracking your progress and making necessary adjustments is a critical aspect of long-term success in your fitness journey. By monitoring various metrics such as body measurements, strength gains, and energy levels, you can effectively gauge the effectiveness of your nutrition and training. Making adjustments based on feedback from your body ensures that you're continuously progressing towards your goals. This iterative process allows for fine-tuning your approach, optimizing your fitness regimen, and sustaining long-term success. Understanding the importance of tracking progress and making adaptive changes empowers you to navigate your fitness journey with flexibility and precision.